Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to install QGIS. For this, please open your Chrome and write QGIS. Click OK. Now here is download option. Go with that, and here is other option. You can even download it for Mac and Linux. I'm going to download by clicking in green signal. Now download has been started. Now after this, you have to open your download. I have downloaded it. Now I'm going to open it. Now installation has been preparing. Now click on next. Click on I accept. Next. Next. Now click on install. So installation has been finished. Now I'm going to search QGIS on my PC whether it has been installed or not. So yes, here is QGIS. So it has been successfully installed. So by this way you can easily install QGIS. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.